nchane gikao kang makamano e gwenge mag Ndhiwa to ka yango ni ntiere oganda mathoth makale midhiero mar lwenje mag kit chuech maonge kod kuonde jot kendo gionge kod arita makare e kinde mabende gimanyo ratichgi. Kolose kinde nyasi mar sidayanga gedo makamano dede okwayo jokanyo duto mondo mi osir lwedo okenge mag kedo kod lwenje mag kit chuech.
Alufauchiel jo survivors mwa SHOFCO deal go kendo konye yeka. Don koro kana fulo mang'eny to san members manikae Homa Bay County gin 90,000. San, I don't like the NGO mentality. Konya. I believe in sustainability. Governor and I will be so ashamed if a place that is known to be a safe place that women are being raped again. I'll be so sad, and God will not forgive us. So, Governor, please, that place have to make sure is a very high tight security, and we'll make sure, because if anything happens, Governor, with our partners, we are done. So we have to make sure whoever goes there, they are safe. Because that place, Monoriti, Dogino team there because SHOFCO Gero, Tomeo, county government.
Jagoro mongirore migao mar kit chuech Ana Wang'ombe mabende ne en wendo modhial kinde nyasino oyango ni atamalo 54 mar joma mine kod nyithindo manyiri kale kale midhiero kata lwenje mag kit chuech county no ma Homa Bay.
The statistics are not very encouraging. Looking at the national statistics going as per the KDHS, that is Kenya Demographic and Health Survey of 2022, it shows that 34% of women aged between 15 and 49 years have experienced gender-based violence. And out of this percentage, that 4%, 1 out of 3 have experienced sexual gender-based violence actually from intimate partners. Homa Bay, we are not doing fine. We are at 54%. And out of the 54%, 23 have experienced sexual violence. So, to have this center, the safe house, being established to us is a big step because it is going to respond to a very urgent need in this county.
Governor mar county ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga bende koro kwayo jodak Ndhiwa mondo mi oti kod thuolo ne chwalo lipode mag lwenje mag kit chuech.
As we look at sexual and gender-based violence and that we look at the issue of the safe house which we now have, and we hope that nobody will suffer at home in silence. This facility is available to you in case you're going through sexual and gender-based violence. This facility is available to you to come and use. But we as a county government must also look at the issue of economic empowerment of our women. What is also resulting in SGBV that we have here are mental health issues. We have to deal with that issue, and I think I want to just add my voice.
Wadi county ma